In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete effects and presets in Davinci Resolve. If you've been looking to streamline your video editing process or need to clean up some unnecessary settings, you're in the right place. Let's get started and I'll guide you through each step. First, you'll want to open up Davinci Resolve. If you haven't already, make sure it's installed on your device and then launch the application. Once you're up and running, the next step is to click on a project you'd like to modify. You may have a number of projects listed in your library, so select the one where you need to delete effects or presets. After selecting your project, navigate to the edit page. This is where most of the magic happens in Davinci Resolve. It's a robust interface that allows you to cut, splice, and work on the finer details of your video. Once you're on the edit page, you'll have a wealth of tools and options at your disposal. Now focus your attention on the top right hand corner of your workspace and look for the inspector panel. Click on it to open up a window that provides detailed information and controls for the elements in your project. The inspector is super useful for making changes to your clips, including deleting those unwanted effects and presets. Once you have the inspector open, you'll see a 3-dot icon. This icon is a gateway to more options and settings within Davinci Resolve. Click on it to reveal these additional controls. Here you'll find a list of actions you can take, which are instrumental in managing the finer details of your video elements. From the list of options, identify and click on Reset Video. By doing this, you will remove any video effects or presets applied to your selected clips. Sometimes we add effects to experiment or achieve a certain look, but it's not uncommon to decide later that simpler is better, and this reset function allows you to do just that. As you complete these steps, you'll notice that your clips are now restored to their original settings, free of any previously applied effects or presets. This can help improve the performance of your project and make your editing process cleaner and more efficient. To sum up, deleting effects and presets in Davinci Resolve is a straightforward process that enhances your project management and clarity of work. By returning your clips to their original state, you give yourself a blank canvas to explore new creative possibilities or simply fine-tune what you have. Thanks for watching and happy editing.